Shiba Inu coin burns continue to rise, but the price unfortunately continues to fall. Guys, we're going through some volatility right now. We're going to make it through. And if we look at the overall landscape of the cryptocurrency market, the overall landscape of the environment, the overall landscape of the economy, everything looks so good right now. It's just uncertainty bringing prices down. So we're going to talk a little bit about that in this video. We're going to be going over 31 million Shiba Inu coin burn. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. And as you can see, we got a lot of Shiba Inu coin info to go over in this video. But I do want to say this, okay? With prices as volatile as they are right now, diversification is very important. And I've been diversifying in several places. Number one, the KSX exchange. You got a link for this down in the description. This guy's got the best selection of cryptocurrency that I've ever seen in the United States, especially if you're looking for meme coins. Meme coins, AI, celebrity memes, Solana, Ton, Layer 1, you guys get it, right? They do have a very good selection. And of course, futures. If you guys trade on leverage, up to 100x leverage here, but look at the fees. Absolutely beautiful. So make sure to check them out. But one of the best things that I've been diversifying into over the last couple of months here, Wall Street Pepe. These guys have been in their ICO for about 6-7 weeks now. They've done $67,300,000 in ICO activity, and they're expected to end in 13 days. It's going to sell out sooner than that. Guys, I believe there's a $73 million hard cap, which means that if they reach $73 million, the pre-sale should be over. And if that's the case, and they're doing $1 million a day right now, they've got about 5 or 6 days left. So pay attention to the number here as opposed to the timer that's ticking down. The timer's probably not going to make it all the way down. But let's go over what's going on with Shiba Inu coin, price action-wise, burn-wise, and so on. It says the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu coin has seen a significant increase in its burn rate in the last 24 hours and in the last week. It says, according to SHIB Burn's X account, most recent update, Shiba Inu coin's burn rate has skyrocketed by 847% in the last 24 hours, with 31,010,900 Shiba Inu coin burned over the last 24 hours there. The figure remains higher for the week, with over 1.1 billion SHIB burn in the last 7 days. Now, according to SHIB Burn, 1,167,948,671 SHIB were burned in the last week, resulting in a 4,930% surge in the weekly burn rate. Contributing to the major surge in the burn in this week was a massive 1 billion SHIB tokens. This is incorrect, right? Burned by the Shiba Inu coin core team or the ecosystem team, and that is absolutely incorrect. Cal is the one that triggered the burn, but it comes from the SHIB torch or whatever it's called. All of the community's contributions to Shiba Inu coin burns. So, guys, we have to get away. Satoshi himself is getting away from this ecosystem team, right? He's already taken the SHIB logo out of his name on X. The official, the 3.9 million follower SHIB account has taken the SHIB logo out of its X account. I mean, it's insane that people are still referencing these guys as an ecosystem or a core team and so on. They are not. And we cannot give them that credit because the credit is not due. Now, yeah, the Shiba Inu coin burn portal, SHIB Torch V2 is what they call it. But those are Shiba Inu coin community contributions, right? That does not come from the team. So, moving on with the rest of that article, it just goes to talk about the SHIB burn portal and how the ecosystem team is great and all of that stuff. And I completely disagree with it, so I'm not going to be going over that. I'm going to be going over the price action on Shiba Inu coin. SHIB has fallen pretty heavily over the last couple of weeks here. And it's gone from about 3,300 points per coin down to the current 1,700 points per coin. And one of the biggest reasons for this pullback is uncertainty surrounding tariffs. If you guys haven't seen the news yet, the new administration has imposed 25% tariffs on both Canada and Mexico and 10% tariffs on China. Now, a lot of people don't necessarily understand what that means, what's going on, and that's essentially an import tax, okay, or an export tax on these other countries, however you're going to be looking at it, and it's theoretically going to increase the price of goods because these countries have to pay a 25% tariff or a 10% tariff, depending on which country we're talking about. Now, the uncertainty comes from, what will this cause? Is this going to cause prices to rise? Is this going to cause inflation? Is this going to cause... And guys, the entire idea, right? And you've heard it from the president himself. The entire idea is not to tax U.S. citizens to enrich foreign nations. The entire idea is to tax foreign nations to enrich U.S. citizens. And I honestly, I cannot think of a more beautiful quote by any president ever. I believe that we should be looking out for our people, and we should enrich the lives of American citizens. We should look out for the United States of America, not going out there and taxing our citizens to enrich the lives of the entirety of the rest of the world and leaving us up behind. Now, I don't know what comes next, right? I know retail doesn't know what comes next, and that feeds into the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. People don't know if this is going to make things more expensive, and therefore that uncertainty causes them to sell. People are very emotionally unstable, and the slightest bit of hesitation, the slightest bit of resistance causes mass panic. And that is why retail investors cannot make it. We have to push through this uncertainty. And I can't guarantee you anything, right? But I can all but guarantee you that these prices will rise again, that we will see green days. These declines started when Jerome Powell said that we may only lower interest rates twice in 2025, as opposed to 3 times in 2025. Now the uncertainty following the inauguration and all of these tariffs has driven prices down just a little bit further. What we're going to end up with is support being met somewhere. I don't know where it's going to be. I don't know if it's going to be at 1,600 points per coin. I was hoping it was at 2,000 points per coin, but here we are at 17. What I do know is that if we give up now, if we don't push through, we do not win the game. So therefore, I am buying. I am accumulating. And like I say, one of the places that I'm accumulating Shiba Inu coin is on the KSX exchange. If you guys are interested, and please understand the risk to reward ratio of trading with leverage before you do so, but you can trade on up to 100x leverage out on KSX, and you can do so with some of the lowest fees in the entire industry. 0% maker, 0% taker. And these guys have KSX got the best selection of cryptocurrency and meme coins that I've seen in the entire United States. You know, you can come down here, you can sort through all of this yourself. And honestly, if you just want to use them to chart, just use them to chart, right? All you have to do to, make sure that you apply for all of the affiliate status and all of that stuff and get all of the rewards and this new user $370 deposit bonus and all of that is give them your email. You click that link down in the description below. All they ask for, email or phone number, whichever one you want to do, and you're signed up. You can go, you can trade, you can trade with just your email, yes. But even if you don't want to, you've got access to some of the best charting tools in the entire industry as well. Let me know what you guys are accumulating down in the comments below, because I'm accumulating on KSX here, and I'm out here buying Wall Street Pepe in anticipation of a huge launch. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.